Hey, this is Coach Williams back with another video, and as I'm parallel parking today, I'm going to attempt to video exactly what I see when I'm parallel parking. So first thing I got to do is when I pull up here is I got to have the proper distance from the cone to the tip of the mirror. And as you notice, I'm about a foot away from the tip of the mirror, and as I'm coming back forward, I have to make sure that when I get to this mirror here that I'm where I'm supposed to be, and I did. So there it is. Now I'm going to follow that cone all the way to the back window, and I'm going to stop it when it gets in the back window of the car, and when it gets in that little triangle window, I'm going to stop. And looking over my shoulder, and then I come back around. Now I keep watching that. When I bring it back, I turn my wheels to the right. And as it comes forward, it's going to work its way all the way up to the front of the car. So I'm going to follow it up to the front of the car and to this door lock here. When it gets to the door lock, I'm going to stop. So you see how that cone is walking up to the front of the car, and when I see that cone in the front mirror window right there on the door lock, I'm going to stop. I'm going to straighten my wheels, and then I'm going to bring it to the tip of the mirror here as I keep moving back. And I was trying to take it from my point of view, the tip of the mirror, then I stop again, then I turn my wheels hard left, and I should fall into the parking space. Okay, now I want to watch this mirror here, and when I see that curve is equal to that mirror, equal to the body of the car, I'm going to stop when it's straight, and then I'm going to straighten my wheels. And usually you have to pull forward just a little bit, and you stop. And I think that's it. You notice. Okay, now I'm going to get out, and I'm going to, when I get out, I'm going to show you how the car should be looking in the parking space. So I wanted to be in the center of the parking space. So I'm going to step out. Now follow me out, everybody. All right, so when I get out, I'm gonna see how it looks. And that's how you parallel park. All right, so I'm gonna go back here, and I'm gonna look and see if I'm in the center of the parking space here. It's pretty good. I'm a little bit too far to the back, but that's okay. Then I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna check my clearance. Now I gotta be within 18 inches of the curb. So as you see me coming around, I gotta be within 18 inches of the curb, and I need to be straight. So usually if you do this on a driving test, you should be pretty good.